Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samuele and today I want to discuss about Kardiachain. Kardiachain is a blockchain based on Vietnam and the southeast of Asia, and today we will go in through this project because I think it has a lot of potential in this bull run, in this cycle, but also in the long term I think it has a lot of potential. For who don't know about me, my name is Samuele and I'm an investor in cryptocurrency. In this channel I want to show you the project that I'm interested in and in general investing contents that can help you to get the financial independence. So if you are interested in that type of content, please subscribe to the channel for not losing any new video and leave a thumbs up if you like this video for helping the channel to grow. Like every video, I want you to know that I'm not a financial advisor and please do your own research before you invest. In general, for analyze this type of project, I divided the video in three parts. The first part is about the fundamentals and we try to know about the project, what it does and how it works. In the second part, we go through the tokenomics and technical analysis for know when is the best moment to buy or sell this type of currency. For the third part, we go through the marketing of the project and we go in Twitter, in Telegram, and we evaluate the quality of the community and also the backers of the project. That is normally for me one of the most important things of a project. So we go to the Kardiachain. Kardiachain, like I said, is the first interoperable blockchain in Vietnam and Southeast Asia. It's a blockchain very cheap and fast, and the project has two purposes in general. The first is to help institutions to manage their data, like in general what VeChain does. The second purpose is to get a blockchain that is specialized in gaming, and there are already the games that run on this blockchain. The gaming crypto sector and NFTs and metaverse is the sectors that I like the most, and much of the time I will give you project of those sectors. So let's go to the technology and we go through the difference between Kardiachain and the blockchain that already exists. For the first part, we go to the dual mode node. That is not a new technology because for that that helps cross-chain compatibility. There are a lot of alternatives like Cosmos ecosystem, Polkadot ecosystem, also Cardano ecosystem. Like it say, do not have simultaneously access to the ledger data of Kardiachain and another blockchain of choice. Together with a consensus run among them, they can carry any data between blockchains while preserving the cryptographic proof. So this type of technology help the cross-chain compatibility and give Kardiachain the possibility to interoperate with different blockchain ecosystem. The second part is the elastic sharding with incentive mechanics. This type of sharding help the scalability and security and the performance in general of the blockchain. The third is the markup language KSML that is for smart contract and is an efficiently deploy cross-chain smart contract on the Kardiachain without a significant learning curve or any prior experience. So this is a simple markup language for develop smart contract, and this can help developer to create dApps on this type of blockchain. Below we will see the roadmap that is starting to 2020, and we are in this moment to the Q4 of 2021. We see that we are starting the Pokemon NFT launch. I will suggest you that there is a launchpad for the Kardiachain ecosystem that is Skystarter, and in this site we will see in the next projects that are building on this blockchain. There is a lot of gaming projects, and this is very interesting for my point of view. The team is a very quality team, and in particular Pam, that is the CEO of the project, have 10 years experience in this field. All this member has a lot of experience in each field. I want to specify that this teams is backing also, in particular Tripam, the MyDeFi Pet project that I will discuss in the future in this channel. That is another competitor of Axie Infinity, and it's very interesting for the feature that implement. Also, I want to suggest the Notable Advisor, because this Kardiachain, like I said, has the purpose to improve the data management of the institution. And for that, there is in the advisor a lot of components of the governments of the Vietnam. We see the former of the Minister of Culture, Sports and Tourism of Vietnam, and this is a Traffic and Transportation Director. So this project has a lot of connection with the government of Vietnam, and this is a good sign for the Kardiachain project, because if the Vietnam institution can back this project for technological aim, the project, or in particular the price, can increase very fast. If you are interested, there is a white paper on the site. We can search it in resources and white paper. For that part is over. We go to improve the technical part, technical indicator, and in CoinMarketCap we will see the market cap, actual market cap that is $350 million. That is a very small like project, but I think there is a lot of potential in the future. We will say that there is the half of max supply, and there is a fixed max supply. We can buy Kai, that is the token, the ticker of this project, on Kucoin, Gate.io, and Bittrex. So we go to the charts and we will do a technical analysis on the project. The project is very early, because it's born in 20 June of 2020, and we will see that there is this trend line that supports the price, and in these days the price is near to the all-time high. I think that we will see a lot of increase of the price when we broke this resistance of 0.134 This type of project is for the long term, and do technical analysis for that type of investment is not in general the best idea, because the main strategy for that type of investing, that is like value investing but in cryptocurrency, is to do a DCA, dollar cost averaging, and buy and at some period of time, no matter if go up or down, and we will wait until the project can reach price very high. For the last part of the video, I want to go in through the social of this project, and we go to the Twitter account, Telegram account, and we will see the size of the community. For Twitter, we have 124,000 followers, and we see that the project is very active on this page, and this suggests that the team of the marketing is very active. And this is a good sign for the project, because can increase the community, and the community can support the project in the future. 124,000 followers is a good starting point for this project, but I think can increase it very fast if the interest in that project will grow. In the Telegram channel, we have 64,000 members. That is great. It's not so much high, and I think it's great for the size of the project, because it has a $300 million of market cap. I think all the marketing is doing great. I want to show you about the backers of this project. And we go to the partners. We see that there is a Singapore Management University Labs. This is very interesting for the technology side. Orachain, LG, that is a notorious brand. Asia Blockchain. We have a lot of partners and backers of this project. This is a good sign for the growth and the develop of this project in the future. Also, we see that there is a certificate verification of this project that improve the security of the project, because certic is a protocol that help project to verify their service in a objective way. I think this project, for ending this video, has a lot of potential in the future. I don't know if in this cycle or in the next, but I think is a potential 10x from this point. In the future, maybe if you are interested, I will do an update of this project. But if you are interested knowing much more projects that I see and to talk with me, I leave you a Telegram group in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up the video if you like. Subscribe to the channel for not losing any new video. See you in the next video.